Hi, this is John from Town & Country Compounding, and I just wanted to mention today product D-Hist by Orthomolecular. It's finally getting nice out there, and it's going to be allergy season before you know it. It seems crazy after all the snow we've had, but D-Hist is a combination of flavonoids and some different herbs that are used to prevent allergies. The one that I really like is the stinging nettle, and also quercetin, which is anti-inflammatory. So I've had much luck and success with patients taking this who have a lot of seasonal allergies. The trick, though, is you want to start this before the allergies really get bad. So that's why we're talking about this today. You don't want to wait until the allergies have really overtaken you and you're sneezing, runny nose, and then try to start this, because this is more preventative. And what you want to do with the D-Hist is you have to take a loading dose. That's why we're talking about it now. So when you start on this right before the allergy season, you take it actually for a week, where you have to take 2 capsules 3 times a day. So it's a big dose. But after you take it for a week, all you need to do is take 1 capsule a day, 1 or 2, depending on how bad your allergies are. Most people can take this alone and then not have to take an antihistamine, which can make you drowsy. But I've had patients, though, who, even if they're taking a non-drowsy antihistamine like a Claritin, they still weren't getting relief from their seasonal allergies, but they added this in along with it, and that's what did the trick. So I always try to say, try this one alone, because it's a natural product and it really helps your body avoid the allergens. And if it's not effective enough on its own, you can always add a Claritin or another non-drowsy antihistamine with it. But it's a great product, and if you call here at 201-447-2020, ask to speak to Maria, and she can tell you all about it. Thank you.